In this video, we're gonna turn your basic scene into its beta version. Welcome to Obi Game Dev, and it's yet another video about some cubes in Unity. As you can see, I have almost empty scene. The only thing I added is some ground using cube and just expanded it by X and Z value, and also just a general cube. Main camera and direct light was attached to the scene when it's been created. As you may guess, we will be working with materials, so let's create two materials, one for ground and one for cube, and also we will create physics material to add some bouncing to the cube. And don't forget to put your like, it's really helped me to promote my channel. When this is done, we need to have some color palette. And of course, I'm very bad with colors, so I'll just download the color palette from low spec. I like to work with minimum number of colors, so I put 4, and I like this Lava GB template, so I'll just download that one. I already done it before, so I have it in my downloads, and so I just drag and drop this file into the Unity project. We can now use this palette to change colors of our materials. To do that, just select material and then drag and drop our palette to the albedo field. And then again, I just drag and drop a material into the game object. I will do the same now with cube material. And as you can see, result right now is not quite the same that we want to see, but we will fix it in a second. So let's select material again, the one that we already have, and then go to tiling field, and let's change value to 0 on X. And so now we can change offset, and by specifying some value we can see how color is changed. So also let's go to main camera and change it to solid color, and then select color from our palette. So I'll try to use all of the colors from the color palette in this game scene. Same with cube. I also want to remove smoothness, so then reflection of the color will behave a bit different. Basically, the more smoothness you set, the more glassy it will be. And with these simple changes, our scene already looks much more appealing, but I don't like how the cube is behaved. So to change how our cube is bouncing, we created this physics material. So let's attach that material by drag and dropping, and now change bouncing to 1. So 1 is a maximum, I guess it's maximum. So yeah, it's from 0 to 1. And so 1, it's just as a rubber, right? So it will jump as a rubber ball. And before we will run it, I'll also change directional light into the color from our palette. And so let's see how it's changed. I hope you agree that these simple changes made our scene much better. And so don't forget to try this technique with your next prototype. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Stay creative and see you in the next video.